Papa Jojo. Already you go see say the wife don't start straight away. So you will get out there when you say yes, you dey go, you want to go ahead with us. Just sharply enter your house, wear your clothes. But meanwhile, before we go to continue, I want to know say the area of the social this morning for this Wazobia fitness segment, now the higher level stretch. So you to that way you say you want stretch to warm up all your relaxed joints. Then enter your house sharply, change, come out to your sitting room or anywhere where you don't watch us for top this screen. They make you just waiting. They do it and they do. But meanwhile, don't forget say the Wazobia TV channel 195 on top Startime satellite. And you don't watch this one. 1, 2, 3. See the way my hand day. Where go high to the roof like that. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see my hand. See the way go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. You go change over to the other side. You go back, switch over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What will be the purpose of this one? My people for below the water and below NAIJA with the waters. Really the importance of this one. The purpose we say, if it means whether I don't tell where you don't stretch last, then as you want to come back on and you just enter into the fitness world like that, at the end of the day, you will end up saying you get injury or maybe crack any of your joint. So for that one not to happen, then you need to stretch well like this to make sure say all your relaxed muscles waiting. Then wake up tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. You go 1. See the way they go 2 like that. 3, 4, 5, 6. This one are for the wrist. 7. Then you go 4 tight. Go 1 like that. 2. That's where you go. 3. You go flow like that. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8. See your hand where they go. You put out for the hip side. This one are for the stand-up play according to how you put money column. 1, down, up, then down, up, down. 3. As you go where you do like that, you go to translate all of your stand-up play. Everything. You get relief of stiffness. 5, 6, 7, then 8. See the next stage where we go down. From right to left, then left to right. It is very, very important for you. Make sure say you do all this one. So that at the end of the day, you know start to develop stiffness around your neck. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now only 8 will make 6, 7, then 8. Now see what I'll do. You go 1, 2. No hard pressure for this press up. Just put your hands. Then let the stand up player wait. Feel waiting the weight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go change to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8. Now see what I want to do. You go like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go to follow gradually the way I go. Make sure say your face don't look down, but your hand to push your head to look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you will change back to your waist quickly according to how you move. Now see the length where my hand reach. My hand really touch the side part of my ankle. So now so you will reach and down where. Then that hand will come point up to the roof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will fall back to the normal base point where you take off. You stretch. Then stand. See the right hand too. Close to the ankle point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now see this one where we do the next one. This one has to work for your waistline. You go guide your leg the way I put down. You go balance up. 1, 2. Now so you go. 3, 4. This one they work for your waistline. Every stiffness weight around your waistline. You could help you with losing and up. You know, compulsory you must meet up my own percentage. As in a ground, it could affect your side hips. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I don't change the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretch where my people for Bodo Nigeria and Bodo where they watch us, where they follow us up the way we go. Make sure say you feel the stretch well. Then let the stretch great impact for the thighs all around the calf muscles. Then your waistline, the upper side of your hips. Let her feel the stretch well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go change over to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this one, it will help you concentrate your mind. You still follow up in 2 lines with the music. 1, 2, 3. See where I lift my leg. Now so you follow up go like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how you take this one? You will bring your mind to the level of your balance. Then you will make sure say nothing change. You feel the look person, but your mind will get on how you will regulate your body, you get your balance. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you go change. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now see the other one where you do now. 1. You take your time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. My people for Bodo Nigeria and Bodo the world, I really want to appreciate that this morning for this special time when I don't spend with Papa Jojo on top channel 195 Startime Satellite Wazobia TV. Until tomorrow morning, but meanwhile when I pack my load, they come up for inside the team now to tell us bye bye. I just want to let you know say this tomorrow again where will they meet? Now another higher level. So until tomorrow, may I tell you bye bye. But meanwhile when we still continue. 1.